In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ripple, also called XRP, on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and make sure your crypto account is fully set up. Robinhood says crypto trading may require identity verification, and you also need enough available cash in your account before placing a crypto buy order. Robinhood also notes that crypto can't be purchased with margin buying power. Next, use the search bar and type XRP. Robinhood currently has an XRP crypto page, which confirms XRP is available on the platform. Open the XRP page, review the current price and chart, and then tap Buy. Robinhood's XRP page also says you can buy XRP starting with as little as $1. After that, enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Robinhood says crypto orders can be placed in the app using its crypto order flow, and market buy orders are automatically caller protected to help limit dramatic price moves. Then review the order details and submit your purchase. Once it goes through, your XRP will appear in your Robinhood crypto holdings. One important reminder, crypto prices can move very quickly, so always double check the amount before you confirm the order. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.